Good day everyone, I'm Rapelo C.B. Blangaflor, and for this presentation, I'll be talking about a very practical and important topic, which is financial literacy. This is something we all need in life, whether we're students, professionals, or even future parents. So what is financial literacy? Financial literacy is the ability to understand and manage money wisely. It's about knowing how to budget, how to save, how to invest, and how to avoid debts. In simple words, it's learning how to make smart choices with our money so we can live comfortably today and be prepared for tomorrow. So, the question is, why do you think it is important? So, to think about it, money touches almost every part of our lives. Without financial literacy, many people overspend, fall into debt, or fail to save. But when we are financially literate, first, we can make smarter financial decisions. The second is build savings for emergencies. And the third one is avoid unnecessary debt. So, and prepare for bigger goals like finishing school, starting a business, or planning for a retirement. Okay, let's move on to the core skills of financial literacy. There are four mains of skill we should learn. Number one is budgeting, tracking how much money we earn and spend. Then number two, saving, putting aside money for emergencies and future needs. Then number three is investing, letting money grow through opportunities like small businesses, stocks, or mutual funds. And for the number four is managing debt, being responsible with loans or credit so we don't have overspend or end up paying more than we should. Now, let's make more real. As students, we can start by creating a small budget for our allowances and school expenses. Even saving just 20 pesos or 50 pesos a day adds up in the long run. We can also be mindful of online shopping, making sure to buy only what necessary. And if possible, we can explore small investments or side hustles that will help us grow our money and experiences. In connection to 21st century skills, financial literacy is more than just money. It's a 24th century life skill. It develops critical thinking when we decide how to use money wisely, problem solving when we deal with unexpected expenses, digital literacy when we use our e-wallets or online banking safely, and self-management when we practice discipline and responsibility. Let me ask you, if you receive a 1,000 pesos today, what would you do with it? Would you spend it all, save some, or maybe invest part of it? Your answer reflects your financial mindset. And it's a good starting point to see how financially literate you already are. So, to check your own financial habits, ask yourself this question like, do I keep track of my expenses? Do I save money regularly? Do I understand the risk of debt? Do I set financial goals for myself? If your answer yes to most of these, then you are already on the right path. If not, then now is the best time to start. To wrap up, financial literacy is all about being wise with money. It's knowing how to budget, save, invest, and manage debt. It helps us build stability, reach our goals, and prepare for the future. And remember, it's not about how much money we have. It's about how will we manage it. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this short presentation encourages you to start practicing financial literacy in your own life. Always remember, money is told it should work for you, not control you.